This is not urgent. HMA. Even only one thing I just want to check from you,
Okay.
because here we are taking the low, but I think in LOPC scenario we can take a high.
Okay. LOPC scenario. High.
Yeah, this is my proposal. Because
Okay.
now we are getting P2, P3 only. Now we are not getting P1. So that is good news. That is good news. Because we have got 300 alarm, so it should be
Okay.
not more than 15, not more than 15 alarm.
All
So it
right.
is good news. But we should not underestimate the risk.
Yes, yes. I think
Yeah. So please,
what we can do, Chairman, is on a PAH, for example, right?
yeah.
On all of these separators, we can put P1
Yes.
on all
So
high pressure, right?
yes,
Not on
yes.
low pressure, but on high pressure, which
On
can
alarm,
result
on alarm,
on alarm. Yeah, not on the trip, on alarm, because on trip
on
already
alarm.
trip, right? So on alarm.
Yeah. So LH.
Only on pressure, not on level, right?
Yeah, only pressure. Yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So this we have seen. Now we go for the P. We can consider this one trip now.
Yeah.
This is Y. This is valid. This is PAH. So why PH will happen? Full open.
Fully close.
Full open.
Fully close.
Fully close. And trip, letting to trip. And may initiate, may lead to LOPC. So here we have to say to prevent trip. High pressure in the second separator and mitigation to trip to PRI trip, which right to prevent to